Hello friend, today I'll share with you what is the keys to success on YouTube. You all have the desire to be successful in life through YouTube. Do you know that how many lakh videos are uploaded on YouTube every minute or second? So is everyone here successful? Not at all. But you can easily success on YouTube if you want, but we have to be hard work. If you do not work hard, nothing can be done in life. There's something to be successful on YouTube. To, to be successful on YouTube, you need to think a little pro way because we have a lot of competitor on YouTube. So you have to make a place for them on YouTube to be successful on YouTube. You need to look at few things or some basic tips or topics. YouTube unique content. You must be upload unique content in YouTube, and you must be follow YouTube title. Video title is unique, and recent video or recent idea, and must be follow description, proper description your video. And another is YouTube tag, and last and final thing is must be quality, video quality in high. If you think if you follow this thing, you must be successful in YouTube. If you new in on my channel, please subscribe my channel to new video or news tips or tips.